Hey guys, what's up? It's me Kareem and I'm back with another video. And in this video I'm going to teach you how to do a one-handed fan, just like this. You can do it with your left hand or your right hand, or with both hands, like I'm showing you right now. So let's get into it. You will need a deck of cards and your two hands, of course. I think it's easier if you start with the hand that you write with. So for me it's my right hand. Now I can do it with both hands, but in the beginning I think I practice it at first with my right hand. And if you learn something with your dominant hand, the one you write with, you will learn it quicker with the other hand after that as well. So it's like a bonus, like a shortcut. So what you're going to do is start like this. Pick half of the deck and you're going to grab it just like this. So with the index finger and pinky on the side, thumb on the bottom. And then what you're going to do, I'm gonna turn so you can see it. You're gonna put the thumb into the left lower corner. And now you're going to apply pressure with your thumb and also with the predominantly the ring finger on the back, but also the middle finger. So it's almost like you're holding the deck like this. And the pinky and the index finger are there to make the cards square. But you're going to put a lot of pressure just like this, okay? Then what you're going to do with your thumb in the left corner is going to push the card to the right, while at the same time pressing with the ring finger and the pinky the cards at the bottom downwards. So you get a fan, just like this. And in the beginning it probably looks like this, not too even, maybe even a little bit more messy, but as you practice this you get better at it and you will eventually get the cards more even, in a more even way. It's also pretty important that you have at least a pretty new deck, or if you use an old deck, that you're using fanning powder, because if the cards are a bit sticky or you have dirty hands, the cards won't be as evenly spread out. So always make sure to wash your hands before, and this also works best with a new deck. But if you're using an older deck, then you should buy fanning powder and apply it to the cards and rub it into the cards so the cards will spread evenly. And then it's just a matter of practice. So keep on practicing this grip, and then with the thumb turning it or pushing it outward, while the other fingers move it downwards. So like this. This is how it looks from the front. And from the back, maybe this is a better angle. Just like this, okay? And of course, as you do this a lot quicker, it becomes easier to spread out the cards evenly. So this is how it looks when you do it quickly. Now you can also take the other hand, of course, and do it with both hands. As you can see, these cards are pretty new, so they're pretty slippery, but that's really good for the fan. Only hard thing is sometimes the cards will fall down if you don't hold them tight enough. So this is how it looks, and I hope you get something out of this tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. But you should practice this a lot, and when you practice this with the tips I gave you and with a new deck or some fanning powder, you should get this in about, I say, a couple of weeks to get it really smooth like this. So this was the tutorial of the one-handed fan. I hope you liked it. If you did, then please make sure to click the like button and also subscribe to my channel. You can subscribe right here. And also make sure to hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!